back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I know from seeing in the comments, a lot of you are looking for part-time work, so I thought I would share this one because they say they have multiple different shifts available, so it might be possible for you to work this job around other responsibilities. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Exec Online. Now, they only have 62 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of the reviews that they do have, they have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a support desk specialist. Now, this is a contractor role, and this is remote for the United States only. It does state that agents will be provided training, resource materials, and ongoing management and support. So you are going to have all the training that you need. Right here it states they have a range of time blocks they're looking to cover, including days, nights, and weekends. Hours per week will vary over the year based on the schedule, but they're looking for somebody to really work part-time, 10 to 20 hours a week. And they have opportunity to take on additional hours, sometimes based on volume, but you can be a little bit flexible in the schedule because they're looking to cover all different types of schedules. So you will just have to discuss with them what your needs are at the interview. This is for the United States only. You have to be authorized to work in the United States. But they are basically looking for somebody to do advanced Microsoft Excel, including conditional formatting of reports, including data in pivot tables, dynamic charts, different things like that. So you have to have great writing and communication skills. You're going to be reviewing participant feedback, handling responses, and then escalating those responses on a case-by-case basis. You'll accurately identify, troubleshoot, and flag any issues that occur. So you're going to help support their online participants when support is needed by both email and phone. You'll work through hundreds of weekly cases to address participant needs quickly, thoroughly, accurately, and professionally. If this sounds like something you're interested in, they are paying $20 an hour for this role, which is decent pay for a part-time position. They do want somebody who has experience working with customers, some kind of customer support experience. Of course, you have to have those great communication skills and those Excel skills, and they want somebody who has great attention to detail. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.